Bavarias are a nomadic criminal tribe involved in a range of criminal activities for decades now. They primarily operate across Uttar Pradesh, but their sightings are also reported from Haryana and Rajasthan, where they originate. Almost all attacks involve incidents of murder, rape, burglaries, and/or assaults. The Bavarias usually split and operate in groups comprising both men and women, and sometimes even children. A group can generally have 5 to 10 members. Bavarias are widely known for attacking houses built in near vacant areas around highways or railway tracks. The Bavaria women are responsible for surveying and identifying potential victims. They pose as utensil or cloth sellers to do a recce of the house they plan to attack. Sometimes, even kids are involved in the surveying process. Before they begin hunting, the groups choose a spot near highways or railways where their women ceremoniously bid them goodbye. After 15 to 20 days, gang members return to the spot to divide their booty. When they attack, the Bavarias aim for the head so they can easily commit the crime. Also, they leave behind their weapons and mobiles to avoid being tracked or identified. Bavarias arrested in the past have never given any clues about the rest of their tribe. According to an Amar Ujala report, from just days prior to the recent gang rape, 4 to 5 villages in Bulandshahar's Kakod area had reported seeing Bavaria gang members, sending villagers and the police into a panic. Following the reports, 400 to 500 people from 40 villages held a Mahapanchayat at the police station in the presence of the SO, who announced increased police presence and instructed villagers to form groups and keep watch at night. Early this year, 3 Bavaria members were arrested for abducting and raping a private hospital nurse in Jaipur. During investigation, police found that 6 men riding 2 bikes thrashed the nurse and forced her to sit on their bike before raping her at an isolated spot. Rainy season marks the arrival of Bavarias. The gang considers it an auspicious time to commit crime. Sometimes the gang is also referred to as the Kacha Banyan gang, as they preferred to dress in underwear, white vests, and striped knickers. It is believed that gang members are now turning to more traditional forms of clothing to prevent detection by the police. One of the primary reasons police struggle to catch the gang is because they are known with different names in different areas. Bhatu, Ghumantu, Criminal Trap, Mevati, Sasi, and Kangra are some of the other names given to the Bavaria gang. In April 2015, police arrested 5 men of a bus in Mathura who turned out to be Bavarias. 5 rupees lakh, gold jewelry and chains, country-made pistols, live cartridges and 9 mobiles were recovered from them, among other things. The arrested gang members revealed that they had a pattern of shifting to new grounds after committing crime at one spot. Then, in July, they arrested 5 gang members from Ghaziabad who had a Scorpion SUV among other things in their possession. Later in September, in Kanpur's Maharajpur area, the Kacha Banyan group beat 2 men to death and then went on to assault a couple who tried to resist robbery. 18 days later, people of Maharajpur's Jahana village lynched a man to death suspecting he was part of the gang. In November the same year, a Bavaria member was arrested in Gurgaon for carrying out dozens of chain snatchings in Bengaluru. According to a Jagran report from 2015, Bavarias are the worst of the 13 nomadic tribes involved in criminal activities in Uttar Pradesh and have operated since pre-independence times. To keep them in check, police used to do a headcount of men in their native villages every day, a practice that continued after independence but not for long. In December 2014, 3 shops in Bareilly were burglarized by Bavarias in one night. The shopkeepers reported that apart from missing money and a 250-gram Ganesha idol, they found faces inside their shops. Leaving their excreta behind is one of the trademarks of the Bavaria gang. In 2013, 5 Bavariya gang members confessed to 24 murders and nearly 100 cases of loot in Delhi NCR, Meerut and Bulandshahr. The gang members used to offer lifts to passers-by before taking them to a secluded spot and robbing and killing them. In 2012, the Special Task Force of UP Police arrested Farman, a Bavariya gang member carrying a 50 rupees thousand reward. He was involved in cases ranging from looting and assault to murder, including hacking a constable to death before taking off with his motorcycle. In June 2010, police in Rajasthan's Dholpur tortured a 75-year-old man Jaidev at a police station and hung him from a tree, alleging he was the leader of the Bavariya gang. It said the gang was involved in stealing goods worth rupees 1.5 lakh from a motor parts showroom the month before. Jaidev's wife, who protested, was threatened with the same fate. According to a 2009 report, residents on the outskirts of Kanpur had to move after a spate of murders and burglaries. Police was unable to solve a single case. One of the residents recounted being urged by police to install a safety door or employ a security guard to be safe. The report claims that Bavariyas apply oil on their bodies so they can easily wriggle out in case someone tries to grab hold of them. If challenged, Bavariyas don't hesitate to kill their victims too. Police claims that with time, Bavariyas have gone high-tech too. They now use trucks or cars to flee crime scenes, use mobiles to stay in touch with other gang members, and are also using latest weapons. Bavariya members are also involved in cases of poaching. In March this year, a Bavariya member was arrested from the Haridwar-Najibabad highway carrying 5 tiger pelts and bones.